Hi everyone, so today I am with Esme and we are going to show you a crazy Easter hairstyle. You know we love these types of styles. So we're starting off by parting the hair into two, using a little bit of wax spray just to tame any flyaways, and then smoothing the hair out with a comb. And you're just going to pop a little hair tie or bobble to secure that hair. Once that's nice and secure, you're going to go to the other side, do the same, so smoothing it out, making sure it's all nice and neat. Don't worry too much about this bit, it hasn't got to be perfect. And then again, just popping that into another ponytail. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of those ponies and just take out a little bit of hair. So you don't need too much here. Then we've got some wire. You want kind of wire that's quite malleable, not too stiff. Cut a bit off, bend it in two, and then kind of loop it through that bobble. And then once you've done that, you're going to braid that hair. So literally break the hair into three, two pieces of the wire and two pieces of the hair. Don't worry about the other piece, it doesn't matter. And then just braid normally. So 3-strand braid fairly tightly, but again, don't worry about this. The one thing I would say is try and go as far down the hair as you can. You want as much length to this section as you can get. And just tie that with a little elastic. That's Esme looking at herself. Yep, crazy. And then we are putting in a little bit of like hair powder. This just helps with kind of like hair texture if the hair's a little bit soft. It does make the hair a little bit difficult to work with though, so I don't love this product, but it does serve a purpose. So 3-strand braid, and then you're going to pull out one side of this braid. So can you see I'm just pulling that right hand side? So all the way down, you're going to do this. So braiding normally, 3-strand braid, and then pull out that section. And that's why we use that hair powder, just to help with the hair so it isn't like kind of too floppy. Just creates a little bit of grip to the hair. Once you've finished that, you're going to move to the other side. Same again with the hair powder, and this time I'm going to pull the left hand side. So it's the side that's always like closest to the back of the head and not the front of the face, if that makes sense. So pull these sections as high as you can go. Obviously, if there's less hair, you won't be able to go as high. Again, all the way to the bottom and secure that into a hair tie. She's looking at herself again. And then you're going to take one side and bring it across like that. So I'm using these long hair grips, these long hairpins now, just to secure that in place. You can decide sort of how you want that little basket to look. This is your basket that you created. And then the other one's going to come round the front the other way. So you created that circle around the head, securing again with the hairpins. Now, we got this moss from Amazon. It's fake moss, but it felt really real actually. So you're going to kind of like use grips to kind of secure that in place. And then I got some little eggs from Amazon, and I was really lazy and I didn't use glue, but I would definitely use glue here. Just any kind of glue just to stick that into the moss, otherwise they're just going to fall everywhere. Flowers are obviously optional, and then you're going to grab that piece that you did at the beginning. The wire is going to make it really easy to bend into place and make sure it stays and doesn't just kind of flop everywhere. And then you're going to secure that into place, make sure that tail's all tucked in behind. In a minute, Esme is going to show us. Look at this. Who needs an Easter bonnet when you can just literally create one out of hair? That's what I say, why not? I loved how this turned out. Esme loved it, she thought it was so funny. So let me know in the comments what you guys think.